So our goal here is to be able to create a nav bar that we can use across sites a little bit more easily than creating it again and again and again and entering the same content sources. We're going to do that by creating a fragment page. You've read a little bit about these, so let's go ahead and build one. See what happens. I'm going to hit new page. I'm going to call it my nav fragment new, simply because I've made nav fragments before. All right. The interesting part here is we're going to name it something a little bit wild. This is because in order to pull it into published sites, we have to actually publish this page. So you don't want to put a URI that a reader is going to enter accidentally and end up on this sort of fragment of a page that is on your live site. So you'll definitely want to name it something a little funky that nobody's going to go to accidentally. We'll create our page, head over here, and I'm going to grab the feature that we want. That's going to be nav version 2. Here we are. Now we're going to grab our site service, our site menu, which you should probably have set up by now. And there we go. How cool is that? We have access to all our different site names, and we can get to anything on our site. Now, the other thing that has to happen for this fragment page to work, there are two more things. One, it has to be named. So we'll call it nav fragment new, again, just for ease. You can name it here, or you can name it, you can name it up here. See, nav fragment new. So those two do the same thing. And here we have no linked pages found. That's because we haven't linked it just yet. So, final thing that you have to do for this fragment page to work is publish it. So we'll commit to stage, we'll hit preview publish, we'll make this version live, and we'll publish it. There, now we have a published fragment page. So, to recap, the three things that you have to do is add your feature to the page, you have to name it, you have to publish it.